Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to stop adding me in Instagram group. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Instagram app. Now once you're inside here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you tap on the profile icon here, what you need to do is tap on the 3-bar icon on the top right corner of the screen, and once you do that, here you'll be sent to your settings and activity. Now scroll down and then you'll find on how others can interact with you, you'll find an option that says message and story reply, and then tap on that. And once you tap on that, here and under how people can reach you, you'll find an option that says message controls, and then what you need to do is simply tap on that message controls option, and inside there under group option you'll be getting an option only the friends who follow you on Instagram will be able to add you on a group. The people, those who haven't followed you, will not be able to add you in a group. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.